Okay, guys, I probably shouldn't be doing this, but the drone I just got as a Christmas present from my parents is fucking stuck in that tall ass nigger. It's in that fucking tree, way the fuck up there. I have to literally fucking climb. Well, no, I'm not gonna climb. I have to shoot that shit down with a gun, a BB gun, a pellet gun, a CO2 powered pellet gun. Wish me luck. Shit. Oh, fucking blackberry bush. Alright. It is way the fuck up that tree. Way the fuck up there, dude. I have to shoot it down, dude. It's my only option. Either that or fly my other drone up into it, which that's not gonna work. I would try though, as a last resort. If you look, here, let me put my Red Bull down. It is right. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it. Right. Fuck. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it. It's up there though, somewhere. Right there, somewhere. Alright, here goes nothing.